Caledonian McRae and the crew of MV Saturn, welcome aboard.
It's a lovely morning, isn't it?
Can I have a chicken burger with meal, please?
Chicken burger with red sauce.
A rolling sausage. Can I get chips and cheese, please?
A rolling square and a rolling lunch with fried onion.
I'm having a milkshake. Just do what it's going.
Sausage and red sauce.
A drink and a bit of chocolate. I am brew.
It was fantastic. The place was alive. It was good fun, you know.
Rossi has a really strong community. I think it has a strong sense of people belonging. It's quite old-fashioned in a lot of ways,
Hiya.
but nice ways.
Hiya.
Far down the great hillside, it is the broadest, highest field along the shores of Clyde. And I, a fair hairs lassie, who walks the lee-lang day in the yellow cornfields of Ardbeg, aboon sweet Rossi Bay. It's a bonny bay in the morning, and it's bonnier by the noon, but it's bonniest when the sun drops and red comes out of the moon. When the mist comes out of the comrades and orange peaks are grey, and the great black hills like sleeping kings, said Grand Rune Rossi